Parrots are a group of birds belonging to the family Psittacidae, which includes over 390 different species. They are known for their vibrant plumage and bright colours, often inhabiting tropical and subtropical forest environments. With their ability to mimic speech, intelligence, and humorous personalities, parrots have become ideal companions for humans. Parrots can live up to several decades and typically live in flocks. They are not only talented talkers, but also have excellent learning and memory capabilities. Besides being entertaining creatures, parrots play a crucial role in seed dispersal and maintaining biodiversity in forest environments. Parrots are not only fascinating companions, but also play vital roles in tropical forest ecosystems. However, they face habitat loss due to deforestation and illegal hunting.